How do I reset my Wii sensor bar?
Hello, fellow gamers. Today, we're tackling an important issue that Wii users occasionally face: how to reset the Wii sensor bar. Follow these step-by-step instructions and get back into your gaming sessions without any fuss.
Why do I need to reset the sensor bar?
Sometimes, the sensor bar might not work as intended due to certain issues, which can affect your gaming experience. Resetting the sensor bar can resolve many of these issues and ensure optimal performance. It is like a quick reboot for your Wii system.
How do I reset the Wii console?
Before we reset the sensor bar, let's ensure that the Wii console itself is functioning properly. 1. Turn off the Wii console. 2. Unplug it from the power source. 3. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. 4. Plug it back in and turn it on. This will perform a hard reset of the Wii console, which can fix minor glitches and issues.
How do I reset the sensor bar?
Now, to reset the sensor bar, you need to perform the following steps. 1. Power off the Wii console. 2. Unplug the sensor bar's cable from the console. 3. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds. 4. Plug the sensor bar back in and power on the console. By doing this, we're effectively resetting the sensor bar and establishing a fresh connection with the Wii console.
What if the sensor bar still doesn't work?
If the sensor bar still doesn't work, there might be an issue with the sensor bar itself or with the settings on your Wii console. Check the sensitivity settings on your console, and make sure that the sensor bar is positioned correctly. If the issues persist, you may need to replace the sensor bar or have the console checked by a professional. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively reset your Wii sensor bar. We hope this video has been helpful and informative for you. As always, happy gaming and see you in the next tutorial.